You're doing push-ups, pull-ups, but your muscles still looks like you just started. You're not building muscle, you're just moving. Here's why. People confuse activity with progress. They think that just because they did something, their muscles will grow. That's false. Muscle doesn't care about your effort. It only responds to one thing, stimulus. And if the stimulus stays the same, your body remains the same. Doing 20 push-ups a day is great for maintenance. But if you did 20 last week and you're doing 20 this week, what reason does your body have to adapt? No new tension equals no new growth. Progressive overload isn't optional, it's the rule. It means you increase the demand over time. That can be more reps, slower tempo, harder variations, or shorter rest. If your push-up is too easy, level up to feet elevated. Too easy again? Move to pseudo plunge. Still too easy? Add tempo. Go 5 seconds down, 1 second hold. This is where calisthenics shines. It's not just body weight training, it's leverage manipulation. And leverage can make the same exercise feel like hell. If you're not chasing difficulty, you're just burning calories, not building muscle. You want growth, you need mechanical tension. That's the stretch and strain your muscle experiences under load. The biggest mistake, people train for the pump, not for the tension. They chase speed, reps, and fatigue instead of quality reps under control. It's not about how many reps you can do. It's about how many high-tension reps you can survive. Control the movement, stretch under control, squeeze at peak, and keep tension. Never let the muscle rest mid-set. That's how you force adaptation. That's how you grow. Scrolling Instagram for your next push-up challenge. Stop. You don't need random. You need structured. Pick your movements. Track your sets. Track your tempo. Every week, try to improve one variable. Calisthenics is simple. Push, pull, legs, core, and under each of those, you progress from easy to hard. That's your formula. You don't build a physique with random. You build it with consistency and progression, even with just body weight. Myth 1, you need weights to build muscle. False. You need resistance. Body weight is resistance when used right. Myth 2, high reps are better for calisthenics, only if you want endurance. For the muscles, slow it down, increase the challenge. If your workouts aren't getting harder, your body isn't getting better. Calisthenics doesn't fail, your progression does. Start chasing progress, not comfort. Your future self will thank you. You're doing push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, but when you look in the mirror, your muscles still look like you just started. You feel like you're working hard. Your heart is racing, sweat is dripping, your arms burn, but your body isn't changing. Why? Because moving isn't the same as progressing. You're active, yes, but activity without stimulus equals no growth. There's a difference between motion and adaptation, and most people get it wrong. They think effort equals results. It doesn't. Muscle doesn't care about your effort. It only responds to one thing, stress that challenges it beyond what it's used to. If your push-ups, pull-ups, or squats feel the same as last week, your muscles have zero reason to adapt. They've already mastered the load. Doing 20 push-ups today after doing 20 yesterday isn't a challenge, it's maintenance. Your muscles say, "Thanks for keeping me busy, but I don't need to grow for this." That's why progressive overload isn't optional. It's the law of muscle growth. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the demand on your muscles over time. That demand can come from more reps, added weight, slower tempo, advanced variations, or shorter rest periods. If your push-up is too easy, you elevate your feet. Too easy again? Move to archer push-ups or pseudo-planche push-ups. Still not challenging enough? Slow it down. 5 seconds down, 1 second pause at the bottom. Leverage, tempo, and intensity are the tools you have. Use them. This is where calisthenics truly shines. Many people think calisthenics is just body weight training. That's like saying chess is just moving pieces. Calisthenics is leverage manipulation. The same push-up can feel like nothing or feel like hell depending on your setup, range of motion, and control. But if you're just moving your body to burn calories or check a box on Instagram, you're not building muscle, you're maintaining a status quo. Growth only comes from mechanical tension, the actual stretch and strain your muscles feel under load. Without tension, adaptation doesn't happen. Most people fall into the trap of training for the pump, not for tension. They rush through reps, chase fatigue, and think exhaustion equals growth. It doesn't. Muscle growth comes from quality reps, controlled movement, and maximum tension. Don't just throw your body through a range of motion. Stretch the muscle under control, squeeze at the peak, and maintain tension throughout the set. Don't let your muscle rest mid-set. If you do, the stimulus is lost. That's how you force your body to adapt. That's how you grow. Stop scrolling Instagram for random push-up challenges. You don't need random, you need structure. Choose your movements wisely. Track your sets, your reps, your tempo, and every variable you can. Every week, aim to improve at least one of those variables. Calisthenics is simple in theory: push, pull, legs, core. Under each category, you progress from easy to hard. That's your formula, that's your roadmap. You don't build a physique with random workouts. You build it with consistency, progression, and patience, even if all you're using is your body weight. You've probably heard myths like you need weights to build muscle. That's false. You need resistance, yes, but resistance doesn't have to be a barbell. Your body weight is resistance when used intelligently. When you manipulate leverage slow, W the tempo, and increase volume, your muscles are taxed in ways heavier than dumbbells could ever achieve in some exercises. Another myth is that high reps are better for calisthenics. That's only true if your goal is endurance. For size and strength, slow it down. Increase the difficulty. Make each rep a challenge. One slow, controlled, tension-filled rep beats 20 sloppy ones any day. Some people also believe calisthenics isn't enough for serious growth. That's false. Your body will grow to meet the challenge you give it. The problem isn't calisthenics, it's stagnant progression. If your workouts aren't getting harder, your body isn't getting better. This isn't about chasing comfort, it's about chasing growth. Your future self isn't going to thank you for doing the same routine over and over. Your future self will thank you for structured progression, for patience, and for consistently raising the bar. Every push-up, every pull-up, every squat should push you closer to your limit, but never beyond your control. Calisthenics isn't complicated, it's a system. Push, pull, legs, core, easy to hard, simple, trackable, measurable. You want muscles? You want strength? You want a body that looks like it's been carved, not slapped together? Then embrace tension, embrace progression, and embrace control. If a movement feels easy, it's not challenging your muscles. Increase the difficulty, whether by leverage, tempo, reps, or sets. Track it, push it, beat it, repeat. That is the path to growth. Your muscles don't care about effort, they care about stimulus. They respond to tension, struggle, and adaptation. You don't grow by moving. You grow by forcing your body to meet a challenge it hasn't faced before. That's why most people fail. They confuse motion with progress. Don't be most people. Train with purpose. Train with strategy. Progress, don't just perform. Your future self is waiting. Make them proud. Every session, every rep, every moment under tension is a step toward a stronger, more resilient body. Muscle growth is not accidental. It's deliberate. It's built on understanding the rules of adaptation, on respecting mechanical tension, on challenging your limits and controlling the load. This is not a game. This is not random exercise. This is mastery over your own body. You will not stumble into results. You will earn them, one carefully controlled, progressively overloaded rep at a time. Push yourself, pull yourself, squat with purpose. Control every second of every repetition. Embrace the discomfort. That discomfort is proof that your muscles are being forced to adapt. That discomfort is the signal that your future self will be better, stronger, and more capable. The only way forward is forward. There are no shortcuts. There are no tricks. There is only progression, patience, and persistent tension. The body adapts to the challenge you give it, and if you are not giving it a challenge, nothing changes. Every set should leave you a little closer to why, our limit, a little stronger, a little more defined. Stop doing the same motions and expecting change. Start chasing progress. Start embracing tension. Start controlling every rep. Your muscles are not impressed by effort, they are impressed by growth. Give them that. Your future self is counting on you.